Hello friend, in this short video you will get all the information about the OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone in a couple of minutes. Here we go. The appearance of the novelty has been significantly updated. The display bezels have disappeared around the entire perimeter, the AMOLED panel stylishly transitions to a metal edging, creating the impression of complete framelessness. The 32-megapixel front camera is located in the corner of the screen. It is not easy to notice. On the rear glass panel is a lens with 3 large photomodules. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display tries to surprise with the clarity of the picture with a resolution of as much as 3216 x 1440 pixels. However, the AMOLED screen also does not upset with brightness, more than 1200 nit, contrast and smoothness of the displayed content. The latter setting is great thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor corrects the flaws of the previous chip. Heating and power consumption are reduced, while the performance is about 15% higher than that of the 888 model. This means that the CPU, combined with 8GB, 12GB of RAM and the Adreno 730 graphics adapter, will be relevant for both sophisticated gamers and ordinary Android users for many years to come. The first category will satisfy the maximum graphics presets and the stability of the frame rate during long gaming sessions. The second will like the speed of drawing the interface and launching applications. The amount of internal memory was 128, 256 512ths of a gigabyte UFS 3.1 format. Micro SD cards cannot be used. The pride of the developer are 50, 48 and 8 megapixel cameras with 3.4x optical zoom, developed in collaboration with Hasselblad. Fine-tuned hybrid stabilization system, impeccable noise reduction and high-quality lenses bring even evening photos to the ideal, not allowing the smallest details to disappear from view. The battery capacity has been increased to 5000 mAh, which affected autonomy. Now up to 10 hours of active screen time will be common for the user. Fast charging at 80W, its wireless counterpart at 50W are other advantages of the battery. In addition to the listed advantages of the device will be Android 12 Oxygenos Shell, impressive stereo sound, NFC contactless payment and even moisture protection, which is rare today. IP68 standard, fully justify the high price tag of the gadget and make it the right purchase. If you want to buy this telephone, follow the link in the description, there are the best prices. This concludes the review. See you soon.